Insurance regulator IRDA has warned insurance companies about not to publish misleading claim settlement ads because as per IRDA during the annual report the claim settlement data is different and in the various advertisement the claim settlement numbers are completely different and inflated and misleading for policyholders. So in a circular sent by regulator to insurance companies and insurance council, IRDA has asked industry to create one standard formula for claim settlement disclosures. So customers should understand the real performance of each company that has been mentioned in the circular. As per IRDA, customer deserves clear, simple and honest information and companies must ensure that ads are accurate, transparent and not misleading. So going ahead, all insurance companies will have one standard formula for claim settlement ratio. So proposed standard formula is to develop a robust formula that incorporate count of claims paid, count of claims closed without payment, count of claims repudiated and counts of claim outstanding categorized with more than 30 days and less than 90 days. So that has also been suggested by regulator. A multiple ratio definition is also proposed to set a standard ratio like overall settlement ratio, net settlement ratio, efficiency ratio, which should be time based, that together provides a complete picture. So IRDA has asked, after there were multiple claims by insurance companies of highest claim settlement, so going ahead there will be a standard disclosure by all insurance companies on the claim settlement.